afternoon in Technology and Livelihood Education. This is Teacher Lori Me. Welcome to Module 3. Conduct a survey on the types of orchard farm. What are the types of orchard farms? Fruit orchards. This orchard focuses on growing trees and fruit-bearing trees, of which they were famous in the different parts of the country, like mango, pomelo, durian, santol, jackfruit, mangosteen, avocado, and rambutan, and other fruits located anywhere in the country. Seed orchards. Piece of land focuses on growing plants from seeds like tomato, petchay and radish, bell pepper, string beans, eggplants, cabbage, and etc. Nut orchards. These orchards include capabilities that produce nuts such as peanut, cacao, and you know, peanut is very common for producing peanut butter. Other types of orchard. Christmas tree farm. It is a type of orchard where an occupation involves growing pine trees, especially or specifically for use as Christmas trees. This farm can be located at Baguio and Tagaytay. Coffee production or coffee producing farm. Area where coffee producing plants were planted for marketable production. Batangas is well known in their coffee production. Let's jumble the words. Form the correct word of the jumbled letters on the left to identify the important terms. Look at the picture for each jumbled word as a hint. Good job. Coffee. Orchard. Durian. Nuts. Fruits. Let's remember, orchard is a portion of land implanted with fruits or fruit trees or nut trees. It is also known as fruit farm. Therefore, an orchard can have any kind of growing trees and fruit-bearing trees for profitable production. Let's go to the factors to consider in choosing fruit trees for your orchard. Choose fruit trees which are suited to your location. Choose trees based on your needs or market demands. Consider how much effort you will exert. Plant the right fruits. Choose the best time for planting. Consider the climate in your area. For healthiest and tastiest fruit, choose the sunniest available planting location. Trees suited for orchard gardening based the following. Location. For the hillside, we can plant this kind of fruit trees: coconut, mango, pili nut, palm tree. For the slope location, we can have these fruit-bearing trees: mango, coconut, cashew, palm tree, pili nut. In the valley location, we can plant durian, banana, papaya, mangosteen. And in the plain location, we can plant banana, mango, citrus fruits, dragon fruit, jackfruit, and guava. Trees suited for orchard gardening based on the climate. For the elevated and cold area, we can plant grape and pomelo. For the warm area, we can plant these fruit-bearing trees. Dry season. Wet season. We also consider the market demand. For the year-round, these are the fruits. And we have the seasonal fruits. There are elements to be observed in planting trees and fruit-bearing trees. Harvesting. For harvesting fruits, harvesting is picking fruits in their season when they are ready to be sold or eaten. Harvesting is done at different seasons depending on the appearances of each product. Generally, fruits are picked when they are mature enough. Fruits should reach the market in good condition. Mangoes, bananas, and papayas are harvested before they ripen. They should be green and matured. Pomelos and chicos should be picked at the right size and maturity. Native oranges or dalandans are picked while green. They eventually ripen. The right time to harvest depends on the following factors: the value of fruits on the market, the distance of the farm to the market, the period of storage of ripe fruits before transporting them to the market. Here are the tips in storing fruits. Number 1. Use a rattan basket for storing fruits. 2. Use strong and clean rattan baskets for handling. Classify the fruits first before placing them in the rattan basket, depending on the ripeness, size, and shape. Place the heavy, unripe fruits on the base and place the light, ripe ones above. In packing fruits like papaya, mangoes, and pineapple. Store in a cool, dry place. Store the crops in a clean place, free from ants, cockroaches, and other destructive insects. Handle the fruits cautiously, especially when placing them in the boxes or rattan baskets to avoid bruises. Always recall that the better the product, the higher the price. Trees and fruit trees are valued for their fruits, medicinal properties, and wood. Likewise, trees make our community and surroundings attractive for its many colors and beauty. However, there are some things to consider on the appropriateness of the trees for planting. They must have the following features. Trees suited for orchard gardening are based on A. Location, climate, and market demand. And remember the elements to be observed in planting trees and fruit-bearing trees. The harvesting fruits, the right time to harvest depends on the following factors: the price of fruits in the market, the distance of the farm to the market, and the period of storage of harvested fruits before bringing them to the market. And storing the product ensures success in selling fruits. The farmer or seller should consider the market demands and also consider the ways of marketing a product. Now kids, it's quiz time. Get ready with your pen and notebook. Write check if the statement is correct and X if it is wrong. Number 1. Choose fruit trees which are not suited to the location. Number 2. Choose trees based on your needs or market demands. Number 3. Personal choice should be considered in planting trees. Number 4. Plant the right fruits and the variety in a proper location. Number 5. Choose the best time for planting. Six, consider the climate in your area. Number 7, for the healthiest and tastiest fruit, choose the sunniest available planting location. Number 8, market demands is not needed in choosing fruit trees to plant. Number 9, trees are very dependent on water and served as a solvent for the nutrients from the soil. Number 10, in fruit tree production, select the best variety of tree that is not found in your area. Now let's check your answers. Number 1, choose fruit trees which are not suited to the location. Of course, it's wrong. Number 2, choose trees based on your needs or market demands. Correct. 3, personal choice should be considered in planting trees. Correct. 4, plant the right fruits and the variety in a proper location. Correct. 5, choose the best time for planting. Correct. 6, consider the climate in your area. Correct. 7, for healthiest and tastiest fruit, choose the sunniest available planting location. Correct. Number 8, market demands is not needed in choosing fruit trees to plant. Of course, it's wrong. 9, trees are very dependent on water and serve as a solvent for the nutrients from the soil. Correct. Number 10, in fruit tree production, select the best variety of tree that is not found in your area. Yeah, it's correct. If it's not found in the area, as long as your selected fruit tree is suited to that area, then that can be the best option. Okay, great job, kids. Now, thank you for listening and watch out to the next lesson for this module. Once again, this is Teacher Lorimi teaching Technology and Livelihood Education. See you next time.